Yeah, can we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Okay. Welcome everybody. शुरू करें, वेंकन्ना?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So welcome everyone to this ninth edition. I think this is the ninth week continuous. COVID special. Virus can't beat us. You know that is the slogan. Okay, right. Okay, so we are happy to have an artist like Venkana here. And in fact, all the previous 8 presentations have been, witnessed by lots of people. Roughly, we have around 30 to 40 people here in the Zoom. And after that, we upload this in the Facebook, sometimes live and sometimes the video recorded. And there, more than 400 to 500 people watch there. Okay. So it's so nice to see so many friends and artists and art enthusiasts around. So we are welcoming the Baroda-based artist Venkana for today's presentation. Over to you.
Okay, we will start a screen sharing.
Yeah.
You are disabled are touching the screen sharing.
Just a second. Yes, here you go.
Once more time. Yeah.
Got it? Yeah. Okay. Right.
Yes. Got it?
Yeah. Slideshow kare?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, मैं 2000 में हैदराबाद आया हूँ बैचलर पढ़ने के लिए. इसके बाद 2000 बैचलर के बाद 2004 में बड़ौदा ग्राफिक्स किया है. 2006 तक प्रिंट मेकिंग से. फिर अभी हम कुछ शेयर करता हूँ मैं. पहले कुछ ड्राइंग्स और फिर वाटर कलर्स एंड कुछ पेंटिंग्स के साथ. तो इनिशियली वी स्टार्ट कुछ स्मॉल ड्राइंग्स. Can you see?
Yes. Yeah, we can see Venkana. We can read.
This is short notes.
Just a minute. Let us all read it. Yeah.
This is a whole concern about what I am, what I am exploring, what I can do for my practice.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah. Then we'll go?
Yeah.
If you say the Satish, I will go.
Yeah, sure, please.
These are the small preparation drawings I usually do whenever I free, if I'm not working in a canvas or anything. These are the small drawings. Pen and ink. This is my first solo show in 2009. Actually, it is based on totally we showed in drawings and one installation made with paper mache. This is a big crown. Small and big. I will show. This is the small one made with a gold, and this is a bigger one made with a paper mache. The paper mache, both are useless things. This is a very big tool. Actually, it is why I am this installation about. I say the big crown is a useless material we made, but you can't wear it. The small one is a gold, but it's a very small to wear. Means that's actually is a statement of political much of power. How it means useless things for us if it is not set for. I will show details. These are the part of the drawing show drawings for identity. This is my first solo show in 2009 after pass out 2006. In between, I made these drawings. for 3 years.
This is at Mascara, no? The gallery.
Yeah, this is the first one. Charcoal, ink, and
I've seen this one.
this one also. Kitchen ketchup in the kitchen. Moon shadow. These also drawing in collage. Actually, I basically do drawing on rice paper stuck on the canvas. Then I prepare the whole area. Then I will do drawing on that. It's a paper, rice paper stuck on the canvas. This is a project I did in Kochi, first Kochi Biennale 2012. I will show you details. This is when I work in the studio. That time I took the picture. You can you read it? Huh?
Yeah.
Actually, it is about the 5 elements what we are: earth, water, fire, air, and sky. Actually, there is a subject also is there, but you have to they give a subject to work on it, because it's the first Kochi Mujlis Biennale. They are trying to make more about local, what is a specific interest of Kochi Biennale that time. Actually, I choose this one for that, these 5 elements. On that I work. This is the installation we made in Kochi. We displayed like his earth is and down, sky is up, and water, fire is the sides. We install like that in. Even though we made a small relief sculptures, which is related to that fire. This is a tanker and earth. Means is we show the what see what we use it.
Okay.
This is the earth. Even some elements I took from near Kochi, and we visit some places that time. These temples, the first temple and mosque. They depicting the earth. And this is the sky. And Van Gogh, where is I took some reference from the artistry paintings. This is a Van Gogh where we are going. That's a big painting.
No, it's Paul Gauguin, no?
Paul Gauguin, Van Gogh. Sorry, Paul Gauguin. Sorry, that he's pick up the fruit from the hair. I took this one here. Then I use his feet in earth also. You can see. Here I use his here you can see this is feet, the same man feet on the earth.
Oh.
And this is the sky. And so here, this is a Marcel Duchamp work, Paris hair. It's presented to some princess in in London.
Venkana, this was your residency?
No, it's not
Kochi?
residence. No. It is.
You did it.
I did it in the studio. Actually, this is I have done a project in Kochi Biennale that time. These drawings are made for that.
First Biennale, no?
Yeah, first Biennale 2012.
Yeah.
The detailing of that one. It's a water.
Sure.
Yeah. You can zoom. It's a fire. If you want, you can zoom it, na?
Yeah. But I'm using computer, so I can't-
Yeah, even. This is the recently I've done 2017. I've done show with Sakshi Gallery. This is also basically drawings total. Yeah, actually it is about back to save humanity. Sorry. This is ink on rice paper stuck on the board. Back to save humanity. Actually, it's a childish kind of thinking. What I think means really it is possible or not. We always praise the God and उसको जो evil होता है उसको हम गंदा तरीके से depict करते हैं. Means it's not good. But here, since that time, what I'm thinking, nothing will change. War is going everywhere. People are problem. If it's a opposite direction, if the evil come and save us, maybe it's possible, because that I was thinking that time when I was doing this one. This is ant eating sun, but here is the sun eating the plane. He's catching the plane. He's a very big man. It's like that small stories is there. You can see if you can zoom it, but I can't zoom here. I took some reference here from so many visuals from each artistry, paintings. So next, still in pain. Actually, it is about death. The show is total about death. Death means if it is a natural death, there is no problem. But it's a death because of something unnatural, means somebody lynched and he's died. We have a pain that if he is died, or he will remaining the pain in human mind. That is what I am showing here. Still in a pain means if it is dead, and even though you feel pain. This is death before life.
Venkana, any reference for that Arabic text?
Yeah,
The previous image.
Yes, I will show you. Yeah, अभी भी दर्द है. Actually, it is in Urdu.
Okay.
I keep in mind with the Middle East, what is happening in Syria, those areas. अभी भी दर्द है, still in pain. Death before. If you die, it will be giving new birth. If anything dies, it will come. Even this is endless journey, the migrant journey towards anywhere. There no land span. They're on the sea. Enter only. Actually, it is representing in the Auschwitz, where is concentration camps happening in Hitler time. I visited this area. There's gas chamber, you can entry only. There is a door, just a door. You entry, then you will come with you. You can't go anywhere, but you will die only end of the day. That's what I am showing. The brutality, I've seen them photographs there. What will happen to human beings that we showed as a background. This is the actually gas chamber. This is a postmodern. Actually, here the postmodern Gandhi is looking for peace into his body. Oh, sorry. People are looking into his body where is a peace, but is a peace is not in his body. It is a mental kind of things. Now he's looking from his chesma. We can't see anything from his chesma. It's like I took some Marshall Duchamp check. I made it, and pen. What he's written, but this is what he written. It doesn't matter. But what you perceiving, that is the matter. This is a kind of thing. It's a paradise. This is the same part of this. This also. This is a very small drawings made with ink and paper, stuck on the board, rice paper.
These are not part of that show, no?
No, it is not part of that show. It
After
is
that.
actually, it is after that I made these drawings, small one. यहाँ पे थोड़ा sarcastic way that even the robot also shy of what you feel.
Venkana, what is the size of this wall?
What size? Actually,
Yeah.
12 by 12 inch.
Okay.
This is also. There's an ink I use, color ink. This is a very 6 by 4 inch. It's a small drawing. The one 12 by 12. This is usually I do small drawings with watercolor. We displayed. Actually, we have a show in Switzerland. There is a group show. That time we showed these small drawings and the previous some drawings. It's a 6 by 4 inch small drawings, watercolor. So where I did a printmaking workshop in 2011 in Gallery Mascara. We set up the printmaking studio there. I worked for 1.5 months there. That time I made a prints. We love each other. These are the prints. Cutting it. Yes. Hunting in the snow. Actually, it is one of the artists. I forget his name. Bruegel.
Bruegel.
Ah, yeah. This is snow.
But this that node is Manet's work, no? Manet, right?
Which one?
The node. Is there any
This one?
reference?
No. That is not reference. That is.
Courbet, I think.
Yeah, it looked like Courbet, but it's
Origin of the world.
yeah.
It's not like it is sequential form.
Hello.
No,
I can't hear
you. Das Expression the German expression one of ego. Please talk, please maybe
We can't hear.
here.
Yeah, I can't hear you. Who are saying something?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Uh-huh. Hello.
Hello.
No, we can't hear.
I can't hear you.
I recognize like Eagle Shield coin. Eagle Shield.
Egon still.
No, Egon Shelley. I think
Eagle Shield.
Egon
Uh-huh.
Eagle Shield. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I am pronouncing like this. Eagle Shield.
Yeah.
Eagle Shield.
Yeah.
Splendor.
I know.
Egon.
No, Ina asked is
Eagle Shield. Eagle Shield.
yeah. I know.
That drawing was like that. That made a
Previous one. This
previous
this one.
Next one.
This
not
Anyway, we'll ask. We'll
Actually, it's dung beetles. See the dung beetle carrying the cow dung. Drive to play. It's the backside of Olympia. Why Olympia? That time I was thinking, why Olympia this much famous? It's the backside. You can see the window, what people are watching from there. Some fun kind of. Somebody use, somebody kills. Actually, you can see in the mountain. You can see something is in the mountain. If you figure out that where is this king is killing the pig and somebody using pig as a pleasure item, means it's a bestiality kind of thing. The victim. I started some watercolor. It's a black and black beach square. You can see the details. Block horse. Red hand. It's living sculpture. Love life. I must be slow. It is so speed.
No, yeah, I think you're very fast.
Okay.
No, yeah.
Yeah, we have sufficient time, Venkana.
Oh, you have time. Yeah. Yeah. These are some watercolor we are showing. This is a living doll, the living sculpture, but it's actually a doll you live with without any pain or without any mental tension. In the sense, people like it. life like that. So, choice of independence. It's a life, love life. This is 2007. I started painting after my finishing printmaking. Uh, it is not in a chronological order. I'm so sorry, but of 2007, I made this painting. Actually, I have a great means बहुत inspiration है Henry Rousseau मेरे लिए. He has, that's why I took his painting and restudied what I can, how I feel. So nature means for me. Yeah, actually, he is my self-portrait, but in his painting there is a woman sitting like this only. Even here you can see the cartoon. Actually, we always talk. We always interested to see the cartoonish kind of things. Here is a side. I mean, that time very popular now. Games, all these things.
Venkana, can you read the red text on the right side? Not able to read.
No.
Dream in
The text.
Dream in dream.
Okay. No. On the work you wrote, no? With the red
Okay,
color?
1 minute, I will say. Even even I can't. Even I can't.
Okay.
Yeah,
I read
it's
it,
actually
okay.
written same thing. Dream in dream.
My dream never come.
My dream never comes true.
Oh,
Means it's not possible now. Deforestation, so many things happening now. Even now that not that. Means I'm not able to see the greenery and this kind of lush forests, everything. My dream never comes.
actually, where you did this? Like, came to your studio at this particular time. So where you did it, some residency sort of stuff.
No. It has my studio. It's not a studio. After finishing, I took a room. I made that time there. There is no studio that time.
No, other people are not many people are working there. No.
No.
No, you
I'm
are
alone. I was working for 3 years.
Okay. I thought it's confused.
Yeah. Actually, it is a small concern. You can see what means. You can move.
Yes.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
This is my second solo show. Some sacred and profane. Man playing with 2 pipes. So background, there's pin-up girls photographs is there because that is the inspiration from the voyeuristic way of looking, as like somebody inspiring music. You feel the pleasure of what you are getting out of it. This is what you were talking before.
Yeah. I thought this one. Yeah.
They actually it's become a commodity. That's why I took this. Is not more about origin of the world, even though that. Actually, it's a double side painting. You can see this side and you can see back side. The scope made with paper mache, and we insert here this side and it comes outside. The same thing what is happening, something is a background. This is a digital print. This is a drawing I made backside, charcoal. Untitled Beauty.
Is there any influence from Jean Basquiat, like Mr. Basquiat in that
This
particular
painting
time?
look like that, na? The side panel.
No, I'm
that's
not
called-
telling any particular work.
No, but there is a kind of influence is there initially.
Okay.
Means that kind of approach, the graffiti kind of
Yeah,
approach.
yeah. Graffiti. So.
Mm. This is a small installation I need with toys, the wooden. You can see that it is means that the mismatching of sexual act, and this is not same animal having, but it is a concern here. I will show.
What is the material? Like
This is a wood painted on acrylic, and you can see this is.
yeah.
Actually, this is the animal. Take two. There is a small green. I made a forest. Is a man and woman having love making. But here is it is different. Means the path going is where you have to do what you are doing. There's different kind of things I'm showing. There's a same panel means the installation. It's 2010. I have something more beautiful than jewelry. This is other solo show. 2015.
Okay.
It's a view. It's a view. It's a evolution. Actually, we keep the evolution. It comes from something to human being, then it will become evolution somewhere in the future. There is no gender complex, means that's the race. That's why I dream it means this both are raised together. Golden spiral. This is a fundamental means composition. How we used to teach in fundamental drawing. It's color designing. I use that one. So the celebration.
Venkana, just curious to know maybe what about the borders? Maybe I have seen this painting. But why you leave the borders like that? Just curious to know that.
This one actually I left it like that only. When the brush have a lot of color now, if you're not using and then I just put outside. It means it's giving an unfinishing work is something is behind. You can make it your imagination in the sense there is no end. I feel you can work on it if you want.
Also, it gives a kind of a pleasure to the artist that like we did something, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I remember it's stretched on hardboard, right? Not plywood, I think. Plywood, right?
No, this is a plywood. Actually, it's a canvas. Stretch on the canvas.
Okay.
Because I always keep this border because when I remove it and see it, you feel that you did something. Put a layer of color. Yeah, so
we use in the margin paper. It's like that. If there is extra ink color is there, you can put it outside.
yeah.
not deliberately done this one. It is in the process of work. Yeah, I made this a border. Means it's not deliberately attempt to put the color there.
So I have a question. I think I on this.
Yeah,
So
you
where
can
do you
ask.
start this work? When you start a idea like very what do you call it? Lot of event in a single surface. So where do you start from the work?
Yeah, I start with the bed. It's a small bed.
Bed. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
At
it's
first
spread. Then it's spread.
Yeah, it's spread. First, I, I, I paint first is a black line whole drawing. Then I will paint it with colors.
Okay.
After that,
So
first
you start from one this thing, and then you place the complete drawing on the surface, and then you paint.
yeah,
Right?
I paint.
Okay.
I direct paint with brush only, not pencil or any.
Yeah, I
chalk.
know that. I'm asking like, so you start drawing and
Yeah, I
then
start something and develop the whole area
that's
one by one.
something which I really want to know.
This is the blackboard. Means we learn from there. What I learned from means how I'm become here. This is the where I have got inspiration from my life. There is written something in there. This is a blackboard means I've learned from there where I. It's a enamel paint. It's not oil. This is total enamel and collage. Long journey. It's a oil and panel.
That's your portrait, yourself. Huh?
Yeah, it's a self that time when I have a beard.
In which year this work?
2017. The sunflower matchbox. The same time, 2017. This is a small one by one feet. This is Ruben, not Ruben, Rembrandt.
Goya.
No, Rembrandt.
Okay.
Bathsheba is taking bath.
But she's
taking bath or something. Huh?
No, she's not taking bath. She's pissing in the pond.
But it's originally it's called is taking bath.
That is the logic. Why? Because I made it. This is the recent work in 2018. I mean, I think so. 18 or 19. These are the new medium for me, embroidery. I work with some artisans in Lucknow. This is not painting. This is embroidery. You can see.
So how do you work with them? Like you give a drawing and then they
No, yeah. First I made a drawing. Then I will tell them what you have to do because I have got experience there. What kind of technique what I can do there. I understood what means. How can you do? I was there for almost 1 month. First time and second month 3 months. This is the first season I was working with them. This is second season as a bigger panels.
I think you used almost all the technique.
Yeah.
I think I've seen the show. That's why I'm just.
Yeah. We have
Venkana, can we see the earlier work?
Early work.
हाँ, early नहीं मतलब इसके पहले क्या होगा?
ये वाला.
हाँ, जरा धीरे नहीं. हाँ, start.
हाँ. This is actually वहाँ पे एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है लखनऊ में इन लोग चालू किया है कुछ. उन लोग मुझको इनवाइट किया है. उनका करिकुलम में एक था you have to work with the students work with the artist. Every year you change that. The first batch is coming out. And they told me how to work with students for 2 months. I worked with for 1 month. This is how means you can see this is the name who made this painting. You can see the left side. You can read some names.
Names.
Irfan, Sahib, and Isam. These are the artisans work on this. 2018. Yeah. This is the second time I went again for work with them in 2019.
धीरे जाना थोड़ा धीरे, इसके पहले हाँ एक ये प्रिंटेड है क्या पीछे का ब्लू वाला?
प्रिंटेड नहीं है, सब एम्ब्रॉयडरी है.
ओके.
हाँ, Still Life in Syria. It's the title.
Is this a recent solo? No? I think mascara.
First recent, not before recent.
अच्छा, इसके पहले वाला.
Yeah, इसके पहले वाले.
हाँ.
और ये recent वाला you have seen.
This one is yeah.
This is also. Pomegranate garden.
What's the size of this?
He's asking size, Venkana. He's asking size. Abul Hisham.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, almost is a 7 by 4 feet. I think so. 4 feet. 7 by 4 feet.
Okay.
On what you moved, on what you move, did on this? Is it like pasted or like how you did this, Venkana?
No, actually, this is embroidery on the cloth. This is a linen cloth.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. I don't have any details, but these are the total embroidery on cloth with threads, beads.
I really wondered how did you finish it? Like almost in 3 months, you said, no?
Yeah, 3 months. But this is so many artisans. No, is almost 12 people are working.
But
one
still,
panel.
like you have to
Yeah.
coordinate with them.
That is the I did almost 4 artisans working on this.
Lovely.
And this one also. It's also same.
I really want to know about the, energy level. How you did it in 3 months?
I did.
12 people, you said you had to.
Yeah, I have to work with
understand each other, and then
No, from 2000 onwards, from the year 2000, he was same like that. Yeah. Full,
This is also embroidery. This is the last one.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Amazing work, yeah. Great job.
Thank you.
Same energy, Venkana, since from 20 years. Yeah. Since from 20 years. This is 2020. I met him in 2000.
Okay.
And the same energy level still he is continuing. That's I like very much. Great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Even
Yes, man.
Can
Proud
ask
of you, man. Proud of you.
Thank you so much.
I know I was with him few camps and all. The day 1 to the end, he just Right? He used
No.
us, we were together in a printmaking camp. We were together in a painting camp with Madhu and
Two times.
yeah. So all the time, like you start from the day
It was
one.
fun. Yeah.
There's no confusion or anything. Just start, and then I really like that energy level.
No, there is a lot of confusion. You don't realizing, but when I do, it is a lot of confusion and every struggle of making so many
So
things.
that is not confusion. That is what intention, like what to do, something to do, like same like from that time it seems. Yeah.
Yeah. If you want, you can ask any questions if you need.
Venkana, it's Buddhadev.
Yeah, tell me.
I really like your work and enjoy to see your work, a series of work.
Yeah, thank you.
2-3 things I just wanted to know, like when you changing the medium, like your work is more like self-expression, and when you express yourself, it's it's you are within you. So you taking the charge, whole things you create. And when you work with other people, other 12 or 13 people, they are doing embroidery. That shift, how you take it, like
yeah, actually, we have to tune with their mind. Otherwise, you tune with into your mind. I make them to practice like what them for some days before, but we train them how I feel, what I want. That's why these works came out well with them. But we have to train them what you feel. It's a very difficult task for us to train them, even mentally and physically.
Yeah, because your work is more, very self-expression, and it's like
I work out. Yeah, I work out. I don't means I it takes some time, but and it works well. I satisfy with them what I want result.
And also, like when you do your work, when you choose the image, there is a link for choosing the image. You always have a fascination about a certain type of image, which is which show your work, and how you think, like when what you think when you choose the image. Like it's one way I feel that it's very spontaneous way the images come from various sources.
Yeah.
So even I didn't talk with you, or I didn't directly, we didn't have any conversation. So I'm curious to know, like what you how you go through in that process.
Yeah, it is a process now. You have to practice it because if you have got some intuition, you want to do like this, then you will prepare for that. Means how can it comes? You have to research it. What image maybe means comes. You make some drawings.
Yes, please continue.
Tell me.
Well, I think what is I like in your work, like you can take anything from any source and put it in your work, and it's become your part. So this is like more powerful things you know.
Because we have to look at so many things. Now you have to connect it first. It is a connection that is the main important communication. What you communicate with those images, those drawings, mean the visuals, what you are looking around. These are the things coming in mind. When you see when you see something, you no need to use it, but you use once. कभी भी तुम उसको use कर सकते हो. In the sense, it comes when you want.
Yeah, it is like a process, like you are.
Yeah, it is like a process. It's a long process. It's not immediately you see something and you make it. It's a work of art. It's not easy.
Also, what I found, like you have tremendous energy to produce work, and like you produce lot of work, and all works are like saying about your energy. So that is, I think, very much like this is. I appreciate that things very much. Okay, thank you, Venkana. Happy to.
Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you so much, Subh.
And also, I wanted to add something in his work. Usually when you take a lot of references, from different sources, and you can put it in a single surface, and it itself creates some sort of a meaning. Like it's that is one way of working. But in your case, I found something interesting. Like a lot of people are doing. Even I did some of the work in that manner, like different event in one single surface, like a Bruegel, a Bosch, but they actually Bruegel or Bosch, they have a complete idea of what actually that work is. In your case also then, but most of the time, it's also a concession, or kind of a something. You can use it as a what do you call that? Like you can put whatever you wanted to, and it create some sort of a meaning.
Yeah, it will happen.
Yeah, but it's not like that in your case. Like there is a code between the images. Which I really found like very very interesting. At the same time, there is a sexual this thing very evident in
orientation.
Orientation. And maybe in the initial works, it's more like it's more or less it's connected to this Victorian, the morality. But we have like these RSS people also having it, or like they are forcing us to like
not to do.
Yeah. So that's not actually purely Indian, but it's somewhere.
Yeah, of course, it's not Indian. Means
something like. So that was the first.
That is they have a political agenda. That's why you have to suppress the people. Na? There is a tool. Sex is the best tool to suppress the people.
That's slowly. It's very evident in last show, like which not last show, before show, the Sakshi show. Which is So I'm just curious.
Is it a question, or you feel
I just
observed it?
But again, there's a question in it, because earlier works you have it direct intervention.
But nowadays it is a bit change in the sense. I'm not much taking a reference from other is a big way, but I use somewhere or other way.
Okay.
It's a small scale, not a bigger scale.
Okay. Yeah, not in a very direct.
Very direct way. But I use somewhere it comes anyway.
I found it.
Venkana, as you say, like you were talking about that border, na? To border shoot in that context also, like considering that context also, always in your work, I feel there is a surprising element. That's why I think everyone, every time, abhi ke show mein kya rahega. So that thing is always there. And still there is acceptance, like you are accepted.
The accidents accept it.
So I think you have that quality of जो एक crisp जो पकड़ने का होता है ना, वो तुम अच्छा पकड़ लेते हो. That's a quality in you, I think. And I just wanted to ask, do you write also? Notes निकालते हो या?
No. I'm very bad at.
No, just for yourself, like not in writing.
No, if I want to write, I make a small drawings.
Drawings.
I made a small. Initially, we showed the small drawings, na. I do that one. Whenever I want to do something.
Like what are the in-between things?
In between things. Which I'm not doing is a major works in the studio. Otherwise, I will sit corner and make a small drawings, watercolor or pen drawings. That is only my writings. I can't write, means
No, writing in a sense, I just wanted to know what are these, as I said, in between में क्या होता है? Like,
in between I will do small
sketching.
drawings, sketching kind of drawings. I showed some initially. You have not seen, I think.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Yeah,
Sketchings and all.
Small pen drawings. That is my only source of creating bigger works. It's not a bigger work comes like that. Means there is some kind of background is there. Doing some small drawings means it will come quick, some elaborations, improvising the idea what I did in the small drawings. Maybe if there is a chance of making so many things with the small drawings.
Right.
Maybe Sneha will ask some question now.
Yeah, she's asking. Oh my God, very.
I'm just pushing.
कहाँ है?
Sneha will ask something now.
Tell me what, I can't hear.
No, I'm just telling you.
I have not asked anything yet.
Oh my God, you there? Okay. Ritesh, hi. It's nice to see everybody. Huh?
Yeah.
It's not used to. Hi, Ritesh.
Yeah, Venkana. Hi.
How are you?
Actually, I saw your work from the first time.
Yeah,
so
I know.
I don't have many questions about your work.
I know.
And whatever question was there was many people. Sujit also asked, even Prajakta also asked. So I don't have much to ask about you. Mainly about it was a reference, so it was done. And you said it was in the process all the time.
Yeah.
You gather up all the images, and after that you have some ideas and you apply to those images. And
if you require to means put, actually it is all about history, no? When you do painting, it is become history. Then you will look after history what you seen in the past.
Anyway, you answered before that.
Maybe you should also talk about the calendar art and.
Yeah, initially that when I was child, she knows. I told her what is the inspiration of making sexual images in this time. Matlab, when I was child, I used to see so many calendar art, there's semi-nudes. That is some kind of inspiration. Means there is eager to know what that means that time. But nowadays it's more pure, means it's a realization of what I want to do.
Actually, there was one work which I really liked, the tree embroidery work, having one figure, very small figure. The circular.
Yes, circular one. Yeah.
So those trees are from the reference from the.
Yeah, it is. I took some
no
other painting. I took from miniature paintings, some my own creation. I mean, that is I have to take some reference from miniature. Lot of the trees, the design qualities.
And there is I felt there is a space you are making a space between utopia and dystopia, like you can't say that you wanted to go there, but at the same time I feel like
imagination world,
because there is a sexual fantasy and at the same time there is a
reality,
somebody is watching you or somebody is that gaze is there. So I found it's in between.
It's not more utopian concept, but it is their imagination, but it's a more near to the reality. What imagine that is there.
And I think, Sujit, what you mentioned now, that is the thing which keeps curiosity. इसका काम देखने का क्यूरियोसिटी रखता है, जो ये इन बीच में रख देता है ना किधर को लाके कि ये नेक्स्ट क्या करेगा, वो पूरा कंप्लीट भी नहीं होता है
There is a chance of making so many things.
Yeah.
When you feel it.
Because Venkana is catching on evolution here. So it goes beyond imagination and everything. So evolution is all about survival of the fittest. But here Venkana will decide which will be the next evolved species. So that is definitely very curious.
Because there is a conflict between humans. Huh? That's why. No human being will be survive in the future. With destruction, everything.
Indra Bhattacharya sir is there. Will you talk something? Unmute, please. Unmute, please.
I just wanted to see what is happening, how it is. The Zoom is first time experience.
Even me.
Actually, I'm so scared about all these things, how to go to. Still, I'm thinking, how can I show my work? I can see your work here.
Okay.
So I don't know how to put my work here. So you can see.
It's a very easy. Even this is also first time for me.
Yeah. I'm watching in my
computer.
Not in phone. Not in phone. So what to do then if I show my work?
Satish is there.
Yeah. Okay. So this will help
He's
me,
the monitor.
I guess.
Yeah. It's actually easy. Like you send the file to him, and then you can present, and you can ask him to change.
Make a presentation.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's easy
That
to.
is so how do I send? Because lot of images together. How could I?
You select it to whatever you want to show them.
Chandra sir, not to worry. I will talk to you. We will manage, and it will be a cakewalk for you. Nothing to fear.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It'll be like the Rasagulla of KC Das. Don't worry.
Yeah. I can throw to you like this, and I don't know password and that ID you have sent me. It will be same, or it is changing every day.
It will change, Chandra sir. We will talk. I will talk to you after this, and no need to worry. We will take care of everything. You have to only come and talk in the mobile or laptop. We will talk to you later after this. Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing to worry. Yeah. Sir, anything about this presentation and this program?
Yeah. This is an amazing kind of art. So we are very, very old. This kind of artist. Our practice and our time was actually different. All the teachers always actually says to draw what you can see, like this foliage study and life study. Do like photography. So always we tried that. So how to go near to photography. Now you people are coming with lot of sense and lot of things to say in your work, and that is very wonderful for me.
Oh, great. Thank you.
I'm enjoying. So how you took a lot of things in your one painting. I'm very simple, and I can't put so many information in one time. So it is very challenging for me. It's a one subject or object, what you call. It will be my work, and I can't put many things together in different look, different meaning together in that same canvas or same paper. So this is also a new kind of experience to me, to see all of your younger generation artists.
Thank you.
So when I start, I took 10-15 minutes to enter in this show. So I didn't see that first what you have shown. You said that ink work that first time is monochromic. I like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Those are very interesting to me.
Okay. Thank you.
I can see a lot. I have to see through Google or somewhere.
Yeah, you can find, I think so.
Yeah. So, Chigulla
Venkarna. T. Venkarna.
T. Venkarna. Okay. So, Sujit, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Very nice
happy to see you. Happy to see you.
Yeah.
Projector. Yeah.
Also here.
Yeah.
First time.
Many people.
Yeah. After a long time. See her. Yeah.
Good to see you.
Venkana,
How
are you?
I'm good. Madhu, hi.
How are you, man? It's been long.
I'm good, yeah. You tell me.
Amazing to see you.
Oh, thank you so much. You there? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm here, of course.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So I just it's just to know that, what are the inquiries in your mind as a painter, as a person who's working in this time?
Yeah, that is the question. This is a very good question. Actually, the inquiries.
So let me finish.
Finish.
So what are the inquiries, when you start working, because you've been working almost for a decade, and at the same time, inquiry as a painter, as a person who wants to explore, as a humanitarian, as a person, filled with so many emotions. There are so many things which your works deals with, most about about a human existence, at the same time the feelings, and these are the things which often we doesn't want to share it, because we live in such a cultural circumstances which doesn't allow us to explore. At the same time, in some time, even in such situation, you yourself, when you're doing a nudity, how one can actually look at your own self, at the same time how it could be looked at from the society perspective. So there are so many layers into as a individual person himself. But at the same time, all these inquiries. So what are the inquiries? I just wanted to know from your
Yes. I want to explain it. Basically, it is actually, when you see the images, it is not a sexual pleasure to see the images. Okay, it's always you have in your mind that this is kind of like this, but it's not about the sexual pleasure. You see this what is happening in the society in this beside you. That's what I want to show. What means what should not be happening in the society. That's I am trying to show. But that something else should happen is good for human beings. That if you the sexual violence you see in the paintings, it is giving a beautiful pleasure to see, but there is something behind that pleasure I trying to show. Show means it's not about showing, it is thinking about what I'm thinking really should not be happening.
Okay.
Yeah, that is my own, that is the only concern. Means the sexual violence it's not about sexual violence anything which is a politically charged with the sexual act. That's why I show those things directly in my canvas. That inquiry, that is the answer I want. What should be as a human being? That is the question.
Okay. So these inquiries, when you have these such inquiries, when you start working, do they will be in your mind, by till the end of your finishing your work, or is it something slowly? Because what happens is, I'm just talking in the aspect of as a practicing artist, what we have is, some point we have a subjectivity. When we start working, the work takes us into another direction, more like aesthetically and other fundamental structure of visual making. So sometimes what there isn't a kind of a core subjectivity can restrict oneself to thinking or looking for the possibilities of image making itself. So in a way, in your work, if you look at it, there isn't a distance between naked and a nudeness. At the same time, the erotic and about image, because when you see, even those there are the violent act of all these acts are being little more violent, but at the same time, when you look at it, the imagery itself makes you not so violent.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I understood.
Quality of a drawing, quality of your line.
It look like a pleasure object, but it's not a pleasure object in the end. If you see it properly, if you go deep into the image making, that is not giving any pleasure to you. That's giving the think what really I want.
Exactly.
But this is also is a time to time change. While I started something, it will happen something, but the end what I'm starting is not really come out what ends.
Okay.
That I means that kind of freedom I give to accept it. Means whatever will happen in the present, I am accepting that one.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks a lot, man.
Oh,
don't you get bored of doing so many human forms? Yeah.
Bored? No, I don't think so. If I'm bored, I will make something. I'm not bored still.
No, he's asking the human form.
Yeah, I know.
Just a human form.
Yeah. You're asking me, you are not boarding with human forms.
No, I'm just asking you that, you've been, so much of human forms, the forms are coming out. I don't know from where all coming, but maybe from a Masi Lari or wherever.
Okay. No, actually it is that is, I don't know where it comes, but it comes when I want.
Good, man. Good for you. It's amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep going. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all the best. Congratulations.
Yeah. Nice to see you. Yeah.
Looking forward.
Yeah.
For the next one.
Okay, great.
Hi. I have a quick question. Hi, this is Shruti. And thank you so much for the presentation, Venkana.
Thank you so much.
It is somewhere, I think it's a compilation of everybody who kind of by now have asked the question, but and also, as you mentioned, the image is something, even though it has a sexual orientation, but it is not really what you intend to show. But I just am curious to know, now that we see your work like over a decade of your working, when did it actually start, or how did these imagery, I'm just curious, how did it start, like the very initial times, of your working?
Actually, it's not immediate, it is not actually, it is unconsciously, it comes from the childhood only. We have a kind of society where we are living these kind of situations. I am observing from the same childhood, not immediate. This is what I learned from here. And fine arts is not a fine art what teach me what to do. It teach me how to do. There is connection is there only from my life. It's starting from there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, welcome.
Yeah. Hi, Venkana. This is Kumar Swami.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, really, I appreciate your works. I know I'm since from 20 years.
Okay.
Exactly. Your energy is non-stop working, man. Being your junior, I'm proud of you. And
thank you.
You have missed some of the works. It's not all the works you have presented here, right?
No, not yet. Not all works. Some works.
Really. Yeah, I thought some of the very important works also I have seen, but it's not there. But the last, these final 2019 and 18 experiments are amazing.
Yeah, even I feel it comes
because inspired since from 19th and 20th century, lot of influences you have taken from the masters, and these 2 years works are really looks tremendous and excellent. Lot of aesthetic sense is there in that, whatever you are trying, that is coming out.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
I feel so.
Thanks for Thank you very much for your
welcome.
presentation.
Yeah, see you.
Thank you, Sujit. Thank you.
Thank you. No.
Yeah.
Thank you.
वेंकन्ना आई मीन बहुत ही सिंपल सा सवाल है वैसे तो, लेकिन आई फील कि इट्स पेंटरली मेरे को थोड़ा आई वाज क्यूरियस टू नो अबाउट इट कि योर वर्क इज क्वाइट स्पॉन्टेनियस वैसे तो, बट व्हेन यू डिसाइड फ्यू थिंग्स लाइक कुछ सीरीज का जो काम था साक्षी में दिखाया था, तो उसमें यू प्रिपेयर्ड सरफेस फॉर दैट, तो वहाँ पे वो चूजिंग आता है, मटेरियल चूजिंग आता है. सो वुड यू लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इट?
No, actually, I started with a small scale work with there's a bigger before I started. There's accidentally I started something. One of my friends gave to me some kind of things, means the rice paper, all these things. I started one small thing, but I made it in the proper bigger way. Prepare the board and stick the paper and started work like that. There is always the change the medium because some kind of accidental effects. Accidentally I started that works. There is a no specific means reason why I started, but I started it's spontaneously. I started a small scale of work, then I started I wanted to very interested to work with that. I make it a bigger one.
Thank you.
So what is happening now? Like what kind of work? What character?
What I will show you if you can see mobile.
Yeah, really. This lockdown, what is happening, please?
Yeah, actually I started new work. I mean, in the studio. If you can see, I will show you. Wait, I will show you from mobile.
Yeah. Please.
This is the canvas I started. It's a big one.
But I can't see properly. Yeah. No, I can't see.
Yeah, this is. You can see?
No, I can't.
Yeah, it's.
I can't see the work.
You can't see work, but it started is a big painting.
Big, large one. Okay.
Yeah, it's a large one.
In oil?
Yeah, it's oil.
Okay. So any shows, any plan coming?
No. कोई अभी तो कुछ था, शो कैंसिल हो गया अभी.
अभी the Paris one, right?
हाँ, वो अभी सब देखते हैं, अभी शो कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, all same.
Yeah, it's everybody, not our.
Yeah, still people are like planning for shows and.
Yeah, this is a good time to plan. Na? You can plan.
Yeah.
You are not going anywhere. You're just thinking about art and what you would think.
That's true. That's true.
Venkana, like many of your hi, I'm Abul. Many of your shows are happening in Mascara Art Gallery, no? So many very different kind of shows, right? Each shows are very different. So how is your relationship with or what is the contribution of Abhay Mascara on your practice? Like, how is it?
He's the only one person recognizing me initially. Yeah, it's we have a good relation. Still we are working with him only. I am. It's a very good person. You want to know more about what
no, actually, yeah, each time maybe different kinds of works are showing, like one time printmaking, then embroidery works, then acrylics, then drawing.
No, actually that is my practice now. How I do works, not stick to one medium. I work anytime, any means. It's my nature like that only.
Yeah, your first show happened in Mascara. Your first solo show happened in
2009.
In Mascara Art Gallery.
Yeah, it's Mascara first solo.
Okay.
Is that that print show that?
No, that's a drawing show. That's an installation I made.
Yeah. The crown and then.
Yeah, small one, big one.
Yeah, big one. Yeah, small one. Then I got this thing like printmaking workshop sort of.
No, we have in between. There is one more solo show in 2010, and in 2011 is a workshop, the printmaking. After we out almost 2-year gap in 2014, I think we have one more show. Yeah. 2012 we had a show in Kochi Biennale.
Okay. Yeah. I've seen that.
Anybody else? Any other questions?
I think one more question is fine.
Yeah, we can enough. We have time.
Yeah, we have time. Yeah.
Venkana was going like super fast express, right?
I thought it.
Bullet train.
Oh my God! No, I don't want.
So till now, our previous presentations, our problem was to tell the artist, speed up, aage badho. Today to Venkana, we have to tell, slow down, Venkana, slow down.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Nice, so fast.
Yeah, I want to tell this one experience with Venkana. So he was supposed to attend Nirachat 2019, our national painting camp. And because of some health issues, he could not attend. And sometimes it happens. Then Venkana messaged me by telling that I am not well now, but I will send a painting. Okay, fine. But so promptly he worked and sent a work which was the largest work of that camp. So I don't want to comment on artists, and it's not our terrain, but I think that ethics is something we really salute, the professional ethics. Yeah,
it must be you respect things.
Yeah, remember, it's beautiful work also.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I've seen that.
It's nice, nice meeting to everybody.
So how to? It's a very personal question. Like, how do you work both together? Like, you have a very.
We don't work together. She works other way and I work other way.
Because we both are doing in a different direction.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, because
we don't.
I don't find it.
No.
Non-interference is the key to success.
Yeah. But after a point, maybe you may work together for a project or something.
No. It's not our nature to work together.
Not good idea.
Even she.
One is express and one is slow train.
Yeah. But how do you see him as a how you
in work?
Can you observe some peculiar thing like as a artist, like how do you see him as a like
I feel there is a lot looking at him. It's a very long way to go. If I see him, like it's like his journey is actually very different than mine, because he coming from a altogether different place, and he hasn't carrying his own experiences, and even I sometimes don't know many things about him, and I unfold it slowly, and that's the beautiful thing, that you don't have to know everything about everyone, but slowly that unfolding, it's the beautiful thing actually. I actually came for this presentation because of that only. Maybe something that I don't know, I would actually do it. So yeah, that's why, because we actually don't talk about work as such at home. That's what we maintain actually.
That's good.
Yeah. And of course, he's an inspiration, like the way his energy is. That's what's inspired me, of course.
Yeah. And that I found something very his way of working is also very effortlessness. Like you can't see that effort. Seriously, it's very rare quality, which because we all think like you don't see that, like somewhere. You
can't see, but I think so much. I don't.
But without any, like it shows like it's very effortlessly you're entering into, like it's a quality. I'm not, like I'm not.
No. I understood what you were saying.
Or I'm not saying that.
No. I understood.
Because it's
but Satish identified him very correctly. Bullet train. So he's a bullet train. Yeah. So like work and energy, it's like that only. It's like he throws up whatever is, it's like throwing up, like actually. It will sound bad, but it's like throwing up actually. So
Yeah, but everybody is telling that Venkana कुछ effort ही नहीं डालते हैं and Venkana का कुछ pressure नहीं है. So Venkana is resisting. यार ऐसा नहीं है, मैं काफी effort डालता हूँ, मुझे काफी pressure है. I have lot of
actually, no, I don't have any pressure, but I enjoy work while. I don't have much pressure to work. I work easily. Means in the sense, I can't stay without work. Means that is my enjoy to work. There is no such kind. I'm getting pleasure out of doing anything, but I'm happy to make work, whatever it's bad or good.
That's good.
Yeah, great. Okay, Sujit, shall we?
Yeah, we'll do.
Yeah,
oh, thank you so much.
Last word was beautiful.
Yeah, great. It's great to have this presentation. Like we continue next week, next Saturday, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I will come sure this time. And even I make my own Zoom account.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for your active participation, and thank you, Venkana, once again. Yeah. Everyone. Yeah. Sujit is not thanking Sujit because Sujit is part of Nirachattu, right?
Yeah.
Manikandan, Sujit, Das, Sajit.
I wanted to come there. I will come as soon as.
Yeah. This is organized.
Because everybody says it's a beautiful place and people.
Yeah.
Love to come. I will.
Place is beautiful. I agree with that. The second
even
one,
people
okay.
Also.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. We close this meeting,
Bye.
The presentation is available in the Facebook in our page Nirachattu. Anyone can go and see that. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye.